Immediate evacuation for northeastern Logan County. The following message is transmitted at the request of Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management. Immediate evacuation for northeastern Logan County, Logan CNTYM. Wildfire located northeast corner of Logan County, moving rapidly northeast. This area is in immediate danger from wildfires which can cause injury, death. Do not delay to pack belongings. Evacuate to Guthrie Fairgrounds. Surface roads in the area may be impacted by fire and smoke. Never drive into heavy smoke.